Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Clout SaaS. Today we are going to see how to create a date table master, and we are extracting the month in a different format and quarter in a different format. Let's see how to create this. So for this, let us click on new table. Let us give the table name as date table master. Here I want to add columns, so you are using add column functions, and it's asking about the table name 1 and expression. So in table I want to insert a calendar over here. So in calendar it's asking about the start date and end date. In start date, let me use date function to input the date. So it's asking about the year 2024, then month of Jan, that is 1, and day would be 1, and closing the bracket, and it's asking about the end date. Again I'm using the date function, and I want to get a year, the same to year, and month would be December and day would be 31st. So I am closing the date format here, and comma, it asking about the name 1. You want to give a name for the column, okay? So let me give the column name as year, okay, then comma. So what is the expression here? What you want to get a value in that column? I want year, so we are using year function, and we are extracting the date from the date we created just now, comma, and it asking about the name too, that is second column name. I want to give second column name as month, comma, and so what is the expression? I want to get a month, right? So I want a month in a different format. So I will use format function here. I want to get a value, that is date, comma, which format you want? Let you month, then close. Then I want to add third column as quarter, comma. Here I want to add Q before the quarter number. So it's like just adding Q here, and it's like a concatenate the value, okay? So I want a format function, that is I want to extract the data from date function, and format would be Q. Guys, let me explain after the DAX has been completed, maybe you will understand after that. See, let me explain how we got it. So we are using add function here, and we are inserting the table. In the table I want a calendar from start date, end date. If you see here, the start date and end date would be 1st of Jan 2024 to 31st of December 2024. Okay, got it. And second would be the year. So we named the column name as year, then, and I want to extract the year from date we already created. So we extracted the year 2024 to here, and the next column would be month, and the output would be different. So I used the format function, and from the date I want this, the format, the month format would be MMM. Okay, let's say for example, if I add one more M here, let's see what would be the result here. In full month name it will display here. Yeah, see here, let me open the drop down and see all the month name are in full value. Actually it's showing full month, okay, full month instead of 3 digits. So you got it now. Now next column we created is quarter, and quarter, before quarter I just want to add Q. See, this is the Q I had. For better understanding, let me change the value from Q to S. Why we used Q here? It's like concatenate the value. See, here we change to yes, so it's also got changed. Okay, so let me get back to my quarter. Say okay. Okay, see, it got changed to Q. Now I want to explain what is Q here. This is the extract of 3 from this date. Okay, extract of 3 from this date, that is July means what happened? It falls in the third quarter. First quarter would be Jan, Feb, March, first quarter. Second quarter, April, May, June, and from July it will be a third quarter. July, August, September. Okay. If you see that next quarter, that is quarter 4, it will be from October, November, December. See, October, November, December. Let me cross check with the month. Got it. October, November, December. This is how we extract the data. For this understanding, let me change here as, instead of Q, let me change as D. What happened to this now? The date will be extracted over here. So what is the date here? See, the output we got as D. It extracted the date from the date format. So first day, second day, third day. So like that we got a output. Okay. And if you want to change it to M, okay. Let's see what would be the result now. See, the value changed it to 1. So for Jan it got displaying 1, and from February it changed it to 2. Okay, so this is how we extract the quarter, month, date, like that. Okay, so this is how we extract the information using format function and get the value in a different format. Thank you and thanks for watching.